Welcome back! Today let's talk about 10 gadgets to transform your workspace into a productive setup. If you're someone like me who spends countless of hours at your desk, whether it's for work or play, you will understand the importance of having a space that not only sets its focus on productivity, but also reflects your unique style. And exactly that's why I've created a list of my top 10 desk setup accessories that not only boost your productivity, but also adds a touch of flair to your workspace. And yes, first up we have of course the most important gadget for every productive workspace, the ergonomic chair. Now, why is it worth the investment? If you spend a lot of hours at your desk, having a high quality chair is super important to avoid discomfort during those long working hours. Basically, such a chair enhances your overall well-being by reducing the risk of back pain, ensuring you can get your work done with optimal focus and comfort. So investing in a chair that actually supports your everyday workflow is a game changer. But now let's move on and let's talk about decluttering with number 2, the desk tray organizer. So why is it worth it? Well, it provides a designated space for certain things, from pens in your wallet, your AirPods or even your Apple Watch. Basically, it helps a lot to stay organized and efficient. For example, I always use mine for some EDC gadgets so I won't lose any important items. And yes, of course, a clutter-free workspace fosters focus and creativity because you're not constantly searching for misplaced items. A desk tray simply creates one spot in your room or on your desk for specific things, and that makes it so much easier to not clutter your desk all the time. Number 3 is all about one of my absolute favorite desk gadgets, the wireless charging pad. And yes, there are so many options available, like some small ones or even my favorites, the multi pads. First and foremost, they are time savers, allowing you to power up your smartphone or other devices simple and fast. Second, you can easily avoid the hassle of dealing with all kind of charging cables, contributing to a clean and organized desk setup. And third, of course, it's a stylish addition to any modern workspace. The one that I use is from Woodcessories. It's a premium charging pad, but there are also a lot of other cheaper options out there. So yeah, even if you're looking for some budget options, you can easily find the right one for your setup. Next, let's talk about lights, and investing in a couple of desk lamps is still one of the best additions for everyone who likes to work in the evening or at night. Basically, it creates a well-lit environment that enhances productivity and it reduces eye strain. On top, if you buy one with customizable brightness levels, it also allows you to tailor the lighting to match your mood or task, providing a personalized and comfortable work experience. Great examples are monitor LED bars like this one here from BlackCore or even LED lights. And of course, whenever you want to change things up, you can easily use a controller or even an app, making them a perfect versatile gadget for every home office. And yes, another huge topic that we need to talk about is cable management. And no, I'm not a pro, but even a basic cable management helps a lot to create a better solution for your productivity, and it easily improves the overall aesthetics of your workspace. At the end of the day, it's a small investment that goes a long way in maintaining a clean and tidy desk, so always try to hide and remove any unnecessary cables. Number 6 is all about greenery, and yes, I can absolutely recommend to add a touch of nature to your desk setup with a plant, or in my case, fake plants. But why is it worth it? For me, having some greenery reduces stress and enhances the overall well-being, creating a more pleasant work environment. On top, it's a simple yet effective way to personalize your workspace, making it uniquely yours. And I decided to use fake plants because I always forget to water my plants, and these fake plants are just perfect, and I will definitely add some more plants next year. But now let's move on and let's talk about audio. A pair of high quality headphones is totally worth it. First, of course, one of the most important things is that they provide a comfortable and immersive audio experience, enhancing your focus during your work sessions or allowing you to enjoy your favorite music. Another reason to invest in some high quality headphones is that they are essential for media productions, and they help to minimize distractions. Because yeah, they serve as a boundary between you and your surroundings, helping you to create a focused and productive work environment. My two favorite headphones are the AirPods Pro and the Biodynamic DT770 Pros. And yes, of course, both are great, but especially the 770s are awesome for any video or audio productions. The AirPods Pro are also perfect because they easily connect with my Mac Studio and my iPhone, and the overall sound quality is also great. So if you need some high quality headphones, definitely check them out. And yes, since we already started to talk about audio, let's talk about the audio interface next. And my go-to audio interface is the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 audio interface. And yes, for me, it's one of the best audio interfaces in the $200 price category. I'm still using an older version and I definitely want to upgrade it to the newest version soon, but still today it features everything that I need. I can easily connect my headphones, my microphone and my Yamaha HS8 to it without having any issues. On top, I can use all the controllers to adjust the audio output, making it a perfect all-in-one interface for my setup. But now let's talk about number 9, and the super cheap gadget for larger desk setups is the desk mat. They basically provide a smooth and comfortable surface for your keyboard and mouse, ensuring that you can use your mouse without having any issues. On top, it protects your desk surface from scratches, spills and daily wear, so you can use it for a long period of time as well. And third, a desk mat is also a stylish accessory for your workspace with various designs and materials to complement your overall desk setup. For around 10 to 20 bucks you can get one of them, so it's super affordable and highly recommended. Wrapping up our list at number 10 is a touch of inspiration, and here I can highly recommend to add some wall art. In this case, it's not just about decoration, it's about creating a personal space for your daily life. For me, it's a simple and effective way to personalize your space, making it uniquely yours and fostering a sense of ownership in your work environment. I personally decided to print some of my photos and combine them with the additional greenery to create another layer on my walls. And yes, especially if you like to take photos, having some prints of your own work is one of the best ways to showcase your work. For sure, checking out photos on Instagram is always awesome, but having some prints at home is just perfect. But yeah, these are 10 gadgets that I can highly recommend. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.